Well, it is that time of day again, my friends. Time to get caffeinated. Got my trusty, nifty little coffee grinder here. Okay. I'll take you on my daily routine. Well, these things are convenient, but they are messy. Look at this. I got coffee all over my counter now. That's okay, as long as I get some coffee in me. You guys do this too? Every time I make coffee, I have to shake this thing to even out the coffee grounds. Otherwise, it's just not gonna brew properly. Am I the only one that does that? You guys do that too? Please let me know in the comments. Just want to make sure it's not my OCD that is responsible. Of course, I get coffee all over. Anyway, yeah, let me know in the comments if you do the same when you're making coffee like this. You make sure that the ground coffee is distributed evenly. It drives me nuts when it's propped up against one side or the other. But, you know, like I said, that's the OCD talking. That's the cat talking. This is why I drink so much coffee, right there. That little thing right there wakes me up at 3:30 every morning. 3:30 a.m. Not 3:27, not 3:35, but 3:30 or 3:33. That's a weird number, huh? 333. I wonder why. Let's get this thing going. Let me know if you have a pet, cat, dog, ferret, rabbit, squirrel, some kind of furry monster. If they wake you up early in the morning, what do you want? I'm making coffee. Hold on. Yeah. Let me know in the comments if you have a sleep depriver with hair and 4 legs and a tail. I should get a coffee sponsorship. As much coffee as I drink. I love the way fresh ground coffee smells. I wish somebody would make a cologne or a perfume that smells like fresh ground coffee. I would wear it. I would love it if my girlfriend wore it. That'd be great. I love the smell of fresh ground coffee. See, look, now she's got a paw in my pan. Hey, come on. What do you need? Do you have plenty of food? Give me a sec, right? Let me have at least 1 cup of coffee. And I will tend to your every need. I promise. Okay? You just stay right there. Alright, everyone. In about 4 minutes, we are gonna have a nice, hot, black, no cream, no sugar, cup of coffee. Who wants a coffee? Raise your hand. You are welcome to join me. Alright, everyone, I will talk to you guys later. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about everything I just said. Yes, they hear you. They hear you.